Let's talk about Sage BEG800SIL, the Precision Poacher Sous Vide Machine Silver. Five different egg cooking options: steam, poach, boil, scramble, expert sous vide. Use the delay setting so your eggs are ready for you when you wake up. Use the Precision Poacher to cook delicate ingredients with its within 1 degree accuracy. Easy cleaning with its durable non-stick coating interior. Includes a built-in thermometer so you know what temperature you are cooking at for ultimate accuracy. I had high hopes for this machine, but sadly it turned out to be very disappointing. Creating perfect poached eggs was not as simple as dropping them into the water. They behaved exactly the same way as if you were to use a pan, i.e. the egg split, and they were far from spot on. Additionally, the delay start overnight function consistently produced unevenly cooked eggs where the white was barely set. Positively, the machine had good build quality and was great for poaching fish. But sadly not for what it was primarily designed to do: cook eggs perfectly. I'm sending mine back. I bought it Monday and on opening it realized it had been opened before. Somebody must have previously returned it. Tried it with eggs and it is okay, but so is a pan on the hob. What I really got it for was the sous vide option. It is tiny. You would be lucky to get one chicken breast in it. It came up to temperature okay, but once I put the chicken in, it failed to get up to required temperature again. I usually like Sage products but not this one. Okay, it took a lot of eggs to get perfect, but now foolproof. After a bit of failure with under and overcooked eggs, I now love it. When we have lots of guests, we can have boiled poached eggs for breakfast for lots of people at one go and all super. No watching over the eggs, just done perfectly. Don't give up, just buy a few eggs to get you started, and patience. We all love this product.